friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryam, and in today's video I'm taking you guys along with me in a day of my life as a CS student at the University of Waterloo. It is currently 8:40 and I'm waiting for my algebra course lecture to begin. It is an optional lecture, of course, because everything is asynchronous, but I choose to go because it helps me stay motivated, and to be honest, it gets me up in the morning. Okay, so today is Thursday, which is usually a busy day because I have nothing due today, but I have literally everything due tomorrow. So I try to get as much done today as I can. So for computer science, I have to go over lecture 8 and do some of my assignment questions. And then for math 135, I have an assignment to go over that's due tomorrow. Math 137, I'm going to do my quiz today and go over some lectures because I'm pretty behind. For econ, I have to do my quiz, but I already did it yesterday, so one thing done. For communications, I have to do my speech, and then I also wrote workout and shower because if I don't write it down, I'm gonna forget. Yes. Okay, so now it's 10 o'clock, and I just finished my Math 135, which is my algebra course lecture, and now I'm going to do some computer science, so I'm going to go through the lecture notes, take some notes, and then do my assignment questions. Okay, so it's now 11:40 and my CS module lecture took way longer than I thought, but now I'm gonna do a short workout outside my backyard and then I'm gonna eat food. Okay, so now it's 1:10 and I just had lunch and I took my shower earlier, so now I'm going to work on my computer science assignment. Alright, so it's now 8 o'clock and I finished my math quiz and I went over my algebra assignment that is due tomorrow. So I spent a lot of time doing math and now my head hurts, but I'm gonna take a very long break, eat dinner, and then probably do more math. So I didn't get a chance to do my calculus lectures or my communications speech today, but everything else I got done, which I'm happy about, and these two I'm just going to do this weekend or tomorrow. Okay, so it's now 12:45 and I usually end off my night by doing yoga because I feel like it helps me sleep better and just relax after a very stressful day of sitting at my desk for 10 hours. So now I'm just going to do yoga and then call it a night.